Hi, everybody. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of Google Classroom and to make sure that you can see what assignments have been completed and what has not. I have my lovely assistant next to me today,
Hi.
and we're going to use her account to go through her to see what has been assigned, what's been graded, and what's missing. So if she goes up to her class, and right now it's going to open up into Stream, all right? And this is just going to give you updated information here, right? But we're going to go to classwork because that's really going to give you more detail about each assignment. All right, so once she clicks on there, you can see that this writing assignment has been open. Right, normally it would probably look like this, but then if she's going to click on the pandemic journal, and then she can see that there's information in there to show you, instructions about what to do about the assignment, and then whatever attachments that go along with that. All right, so then she's going to go up to view your work, and you can see here that there's some assignments there that have been assigned. Some things have been graded, and things have been turned in as well. And if you go over to the left-hand side, you can see some filters saying assigned, missing, returned, and if you click on each one, like my daughter's doing right now, you can see what has been in each category. It can filter them out so you can see what's going on. All right, so it's a quick way to find out what has been turned in, what's missing, and so we can stay on top of your work. All right, everybody, that is all.
Bye.